Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. In this video, I'm talking about Reef Finance latest update. What's the price? What's the price changes open in Reef Finance? Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and update videos, guys. So now once again, I'm talking about Reef Finance today update. Now today, the right now price of Reef Finance is about 0.018635 USD dollar. That is the right now price of Reef Finance, guys. And guys, furthermore, if we study the changes of Reef, so the changes is going negative, and the market, guys, now last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, the whole changes open the Reef Finance is going negative. I'm very worrying about these changes, guys. Anyways, guys, so now I'm talking about the good news for all of you. Hope you like. Guys, now it is the end of September, but now in the beginning of a new month, in the start of October, there is a higher possibilities, guys. We can't say about the future, but that's my prediction about refinance, guys, that refinance price will pump highly. Refinance price will pump highly, guys, in the beginning of October, guys. So that's why, guys, now a lot of people I found that they decide to sell due to these negative changes, guys. These, so I recommend for you that don't decide to sell. It's time to hold, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel.